In the creative world of decorative art, few techniques match the versatility and elegance of watercolor. With its soft, muted tones and adaptability, this timeless style is experiencing a resurgence in both residential and commercial spaces. Michelle Bergman, a seasoned instructor, welcomes students into her workshop with a relaxed, open teaching style. She encourages them to explore techniques in their own way, aiming for students to create projects they're truly proud of, pieces that reflect their individuality and will resonate with their clients. In her classes, Michelle puts a unique spin on familiar products. Using Faux Effects paints, she has mastered thinning and controlling them to achieve the soft, fluid look of watercolor. This technique works beautifully on walls and furniture, offering the delicate visual appeal of watercolor with the durability that clients expect.
What I've found so far is that soft, muted look sometimes lends itself to people's homes better. I know we've done a lot in the past with heavier textures and deeper colors. And for some people's homes, that's just not the style that they're looking for. So this is just a new style to kind of introduce people to that may be more applicable for their homes and their home decor. And then it's also for me been a really nice outlet to do art on canvas. So I'm an aging faux finisher, almost ready to kind of move away from being on ladders. I'm trying to find ways to use what I've always done, but in a new way. So being able to do art on canvas and sell that as another option to my designers and clients has been a really good outlet for me to be able to keep working and use the skills that I've developed throughout the years, but just in a new way.
Students leave Michelle's workshop with practical skills and inspiration, taking home 5 different watercolor samples. These, comprising one of her most popular techniques, are often used in powder rooms or as standalone art pieces and can be adapted to various clients and settings. Michelle's approach centers on flexibility, empowering her students to make the technique their own. Michelle's creativity shines in every aspect of the decorative art techniques she teaches. She's excited to share her expertise in applying the subtle beauty of watercolor to decorative art projects at the upcoming IDAL Convention taking place from November 3rd to 7th in St. Charles, Missouri. For more information about this unique class, click the links below.